Thank God it's Tyco Friday. That's right. Welcome, Richard Star Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Friday. Yeah, we got a Trans Am. Whoa, almost dropped. Yeah, on an HP2. Bring you guys around here and we'll check the bad boy out. It's a pretty cool car. Trans Am. Baby blue with a dark blue bird. They made a Pontiac this color, Firebird, not a Trans Am, just a Firebird, and it had decals on the side that said Bluebird. They were kind of rare. Too bad. All right, let's put a little roll on it. Something's not original on this thing. I have to say the crown gear is not original. Elvis on the body. If I hit 250. Warmed up. All up here in the buck. Trans Am on the side. Top Trans Am. With, without. I have all but this one right here. I don't have the red one with Trans Am on the side. I have those two. Yeah, let's look that bad boy up. It's number 23. '79 to '81 HP2. Light blue, Bluebird. Well, it was a Bluebird. With Bluebird. It does not have Bluebird. With, without Trans Am on side. Trans Am on side. large, small front wheel opening. Well, this one obviously is not supposed to be lighted, but it is an HP too. Yeah, see, it's getting warmed up now. Yeah. It's not too bad. Yeah. Yeah. Let's take this bad boy over to the track and take her for a little ride. Runs a little smooth. How's it going, nice? One thing about wheat bulbs, they look dim unless you give it lots of gas, like that right there in the back strip. LED bulbs don't really do that. There you go, folks. Hope you like this. This is not a Bluebird. Bluebird's a Firebird. It's a special edition Firebird called a Bluebird. Bluebird only. This is actual Firebird. Trans Am. It says Trans Am on the side. It is a Trans Am. It's not a Bluebird. A Bluebird was a special edition Firebird. Trans Am is a special Firebird. It's a Firebird Trans Am, but it's not a Bluebird. How do I put that in a book? I guess he thinks that's what it is. I guess. I don't know. Maybe that's what Tyco called it. I don't know. I have a book that has one of these in it. I should look it up to see if it says Bluebird. Tyco might have called it a Bluebird, but it is not a Bluebird. It's a blue Trans Am. Appreciate you guys coming in. Hope you guys like that. Tonight I will be building a pit kit. Probably gonna do this one right here. Build the van. Or a Firebird. There's a Firebird in there too. It can be painted blue. '68 Pontiac Firebird. Yeah, we could build that one, or build this Datsun 510 or Corvette. 04 Corvette. Guys are coming in tonight. Think about what you want me to build. We'll do a little survey says. Yeah. See who wins, and we'll build it out. We'll auction off a few cars tonight. Got about 40 more I need to get rid of. I like to get rid of. Don't need to. Could. Should. And yeah. Appreciate you guys coming in and checking this video out. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Tell your buddies. If you know somebody who likes slot cars, tell them to check it out. And yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, get notified. And I will catch you guys tonight. Later.